area where your first point of contact is sitting. And right next to the reception office, you will see father's office, as in there is a way to go to the director's office. The receptionist will be checking the appointments, and according to the appointments, you will be sent inside to meet the directors. Straight left from the reception area, we have got the admissions office. Be it any administration matters, hotel matters, this is where it all starts for any Christ types. Right next to that, this is the accounts office. Whether it's the academic fees, hostel fees, or even claiming for reimbursement or cash prices, this is the place to go. Now, next to that, we have the student support office, wherein all the works related to the facility management as well as certification will take place. Also, this is the place where all the parcels students can collect, and this is the place where also you will be find your lost articles. Student can come and collect their lost things from here. Now, this is the most beautiful yet serious place of our campus. This is where all the meetings happen, be it with the students leads, faculty or HODs or each department leads. This is where the most serious decisions of our campus are being made. We also have a banquet hall in the ground floor, which is often used as a dining area for the guests who are coming for any competitions or any guest lectures. Now, this is the favorite spot of students. Since our campus is working 24/7, students do come and sit in this area, especially after the class hours, and work on their project, their assignments, and beat any submissions. Right next to the study area, this is the computer lab where the students of School of Science come over here. Being the analytical hub of Christ University Pune Lavasa campus, we are offering analytical courses like BBA, Business Analytics, BCom Analytics, and BSc and MSc Data Sciences, and this is the place where most of the work goes. Here, they teach analytics, computing, Internet of Things, machine learning, artificial intelligence, Python, etc. Now, this is the faculty bay in the ground floor where our professors are having their workspace. Now, this is Apollo Shine, the on-campus medical facility where student health and wellness is always a priority. Now, this is the smart room, which is a multi-purpose space which is used for workshop, ice-breaking sessions, seminar or any kind of fun activities. Now, I am at the Christ Infotech, the research and development center of our university. This is the place where we develop mobile application as well as web application. Infotech also gives internship opportunity to students and conduct online training sessions to the university as well as students from outside. Couldn't you see all these camera eyes? Yes, this is the IT department of our campus. And now say what the department does. The moment you reach the campus, you will have to connect your Wi-Fi in your laptop, right? So you'll reach this place to configure your laptop, and then be it any department or university level events happening in this college, the IT department gives student support. And of course, this is the core of every student's campus life, a classroom. Since there is no classes happening this time, I am showing you the classroom. You will not be seeing any students sitting here, but every classroom of this university is having same proportion of desk, benches and chairs. And yeah, you will find many fans, 2 air conditioners, a projector and a green board and a whiteboard and a teacher's desk along with a dais. And starting from academic activities, discussions, classes, guest lectures, fun elements and games, what not happen in a classroom? This is the faculty bay in the first floor where the Department of Data Science and Economic faculties are sitting, and just like in the ground floor, this is where this campus. Now I am at the library. From law books to reference journals to newspapers and whatnot, it is the perfect place when you can skip your perfect study area to some other place. Since the highest population in the central block is of law students, the library is mostly having the law books, and these are the barracks which you can use for the reference purposes. and all the other books which are of different disciplines in each compartment, which you can issue it and reissue it again after a week when you need it. And straight from here, in these racks, you will be finding books and reference materials of data science and economic department. And in the other side, you will be finding novels and short stories and fiction books. No more difficulty in finding case laws for moot court competitions and any other legal competitions. Here are the Supreme Court judgments year by year for you. It's a pin drop silence inside the library. But here, this is the outer space of the library. You can lighten up your shoes a little bit and relax and study for your exams, projects or CIAs or whatever with a beautiful view in the other side. We also have a peaceful, quiet prayer room in the first floor. Actually, a quiet corner for reflection, meditation, or prayer for students of all the faiths. Now we are at the cellar block, which is exclusively for the Department of Law, and this particular place is called the Ivy Hall, which is open for students. And usually there are students crowded at this place, especially after class or in between intervals, having academic conversations, any projects, so students work on their examinations or CIAs at this place. Now, the most impressive scene comes in. This is our moot court room, which is in the second floor, and this is exclusively for law students. This can act on your comments. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.